So, hi you guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Maya Nyambura, aka the Messy Mama. Have you subscribed yet? Be part of the team. Kindly subscribe down below. So in this channel, it's about motherhood, travel, lifestyle, and everything in between, as I encourage you and me to be happy in this life as we clean up and live through our messes. So karibu, let's get in. So as you can see, today I'm doing about a Kamukunji shopping haul and some of the things that I'm gonna need as we travel. We are going for a vacation. I went to where these things are sold in wholesale prices in Nairobi. I know every hall, kila shimo, where people get them to go and resell. So if you want to be linked, comment hapo chini. Toys, if you hear some noise, there's a building that collapsed near where I live, so they are taking out the metal and stones and the sand. So many trucks are constructing somewhere. That's where there's a lot of noise outside. So I got sun hat. I got this one. I got two of them, and I also got my hubby on a hat. He has so many dreadlocks, so I don't even know if it will fit, but I got him a hat, one hat, and I got myself two. Yeah, so two beach sun hats. I also got my girls towels, these cartoon themed towels at 400, no, at 350. I bought two of them at 350 each, so that was $7. Save for me. Elsa and her sister Anna. So from Frozen. Those are the two themed towels for Amani and Imani. Your towel. Woo! Got you. Got. Wow, I love it. Yeah, it's okay now. It's Ariel, Snow White, and Belle, and Nemo's. Show us Nemo's. Hey! So you take for Nemo and put it down like that. Hurry. Hurry. Elsa. Wow. Good night. Oh, you're doing yoga. Oh, you're relaxing. Okay. Whee! I think I'm just gonna start with what I'll need for the vacation, and then I'm gonna end up finishing about the toys that I got. I also got this huge beach bag, because you know, as you travel with kids, you have to carry water, juice, snacks, and everything that a mom needs. So this one is so huge. I know it will fit everything. And it says, life is beautiful. So I got this one. This one was 400. Let me just take the receipt really quick. So this was 400 shillings. I also went to Kamukunji, but I think this one, I got it a little bit expensive, 400, because I got only one piece. If I would have gotten more than 3 pieces, that's when they give you with the wholesale prices in some shops. But other shops don't mind even if you buy one, they'll just sell you at a wholesale price. So 400. These beautiful sandals at $2.50 each. So this one $2.50. I bought 3 pairs. And they also come in black. So this one are the ones that fit me, and there are the other ones that were red and pink, and I gave them to Amani and Imani's nanny. So because I bought 3 pairs, different sizes, I get them at a wholesale price of $250. Sale. I also bought these huge towels. For $850. I got 2 of them, one for my babe and another one for me. I'll probably take this one. Or this, I don't know. I got 2 for me and mine. So this is the cup I was telling you about. Is it even called a cup? I don't know. So this one, he can like take this one off and put it like this, so his face is covered. You get the gist? Yeah. Ow. Ow. Yeah, so this one is for my hubby. I got this one at $150. Yeah, but they were selling at 100 per piece, but you had to buy 12 pieces, so I just needed one. $150. And I also got my hubby a gift, some earphones, Bluetooth earphones. I got this from Instagram. I can't remember the page's name. I bought these ones and the tripod that I'm using for $40. Yes, so this one was 1,500. Yes, this one was 1,500 shillings. So this one we're gonna wrap it for Baba Money. The other ones that I bought for him, one of them got lost and the other one was stepped on, so they are broken. So I saw the need to replace them with these ones. And then I also got this waterproof bag for my phone. Waterproof bag, so that maybe I can record some underwater footage for a K. But this one I got at Miniso. I didn't buy this one at Kamukunji at 9,999. So 1,000 shillings. I also got these ones from Miniso. This one was $459. It's a travel set. You can put lotion, lip balm, and empty bottles where you can refill your lotions and sunscreen and everything, so that they go in your small pack instead of carrying the big bottle of whatever you need. So I bought from Miniso. What else? Oh, so I bought myself a backpack for going to these hikes and class. I got myself a backpack, yeah, from Miniso. I got myself a backpack from Miniso, and I consider this my gift, and this one being a mom, you buy for everyone else and then you forget yourself. But so this one and a backpack, a black. So that was the bag and my baby's bottles for the trip. So I'm done with the beach vacation essential that I got. So I already have some sunscreen, everything else that we need for the trip I already have. And so that concludes our video. This was Kamukunji haul featuring a bit of Miniso. Let me go check on that bag. I love that bag, but I don't know where it is. But oh well. I think I'm gonna end the video here. I hope you enjoyed my video, and if you did, kindly consider subscribing, like, comment, share, and invite a friend, tag a friend,